All right, welcome everybody. Congratulations everybody for graduating, and I'm happy to be here with you all. Homeowners are busy. We offer a robotic solution so you don't have to worry about your lawn anymore. Today I'm going to take you on a journey as I transform from a landscaper to an IoT engineer. The challenge. Mowing lawns is simple enough. I decided to purchase robots in 2020, and getting them from the back door or from the backyard to the front yard was the challenge. And I thought it was simple enough. However, our beloved fur babies, we have to make sure they're safe and sound. So that created an issue, and I put the robots away until I could figure this out. Talking to my buddy, he had mentioned to me that he had given a ride to a cohort or deep dive graduate, and he had spoke of his success. I had seen it in passing, and I encouraged my friend to join me as I went through this journey. The goal is to create an automated system that enables a lawnmower to move seamlessly between the front and the backyards. These are some of the components that I used in my project. And here in a moment, I'm going to demonstrate a video for you so that you all can watch the process. My journey from landscaper to an IoT innovator demonstrates the transformative potential of IoT in everyday challenges. It's a testament to how technology can bridge the gap between different industries, leading to smarter, more efficient solutions.
All right, my name is Isaac Martinez. I was born and raised in Hobbs, New Mexico, and I've lived in Albuquerque throughout my life as well. I'm 43 years old, and I'm a retired police officer, as well as an Army veteran. The company history, it was established in 2014 as a police officer. I needed to supplement my income, and I enjoy working outdoors. So I decided to start mowing lawns, and that's how I encountered my first problem when I purchased the robots in 2020. The reason I joined the IoT was because I enjoy technology, and I know the future is in technology, and I like to be at the leading edge of solving problems. So I bought the robots in 2020, and I couldn't get them from the backyard to the front yard. Each robot cost approximately $1,500, so putting two robots in a yard wasn't economical. So I kind of just put them inside the shed, and then whenever I discovered this IoT class, I was pursuing another project helping veterans in a war zone. However, this matter was pressing because I had these robots that needed to be put into the field. All right, so as the robot approaches the door, the sensors in the door will read an NFC tag that's been pre-programmed and attached to the robot. It senses that, and then what happens is it unlocks a locking mechanism that's behind the door, keeping the door shut. And then at the same time, an ultrasonic whistle goes off. That way, if there's any pets, they won't pursue the robot through the door. And then once the robot has made its way through the door will swing shut, the latch will reactivate, and the sound will turn off so that the pet's not disturbed. Pass through the door. Future inventions for the company include autonomous flying drones that will go and spray the properties, as well as just improving upon the mowing robots. All right, my name is Isaac Martinez. I was born and raised in.
All right, so some of the challenges that I encountered was power. Well, the largest challenge that I encountered was power. I only had access initially to 12-volt locks, and I didn't want to place a large battery in the back. So we started experimenting. One of the possible solutions was an emitter follower. Dr. Brian introduced me to linear voltage regulator, which solved the problem. And then I went and purchased a 5-volt lock, and we were able to remedy that issue. Also using the code, because it's a magnetized lock and it's constantly powered, we just switch the code, and that way it only activates when it's necessary. And that also reduced the power consumption. I think earlier I was asked about the door, and using brute force and allowing it to swing bilaterally also saved us some power as well. Impacts, benefits. So I was worried about displacing my workers, but it's actually created a new type of worker for me. He's going to be able to, instead of mowing lawns, he's going to be maintaining the robots and the doors whenever they need services. The other benefit is it reduces emissions, because gasoline engines do produce a lot of emissions. You always have a perfectly manicured lawn, and it allows my workers to go focus on more labor-intensive work if it presents itself. It is connected to the Adafruit dashboard, so we have the maintenance technician will be able to see if the door is open or closed. If it's open and it stays open, then he can go and address that situation. And then also there's a screen grab from my Hackster, where we evolved from the caves to now. All right. Future direction, I want to continue to help small businesses innovate. They're the backbone of America. Continue to work on my IoT skill set. And then I am currently seeking a position within the defense industry because of everything that is going on. I want to bring our servicemen and women home safe. My little boy, he loves everything Iron Man and everything technology and future IoT engineer. So again, operators are standing by. Thank you to everybody that's here with us. Jesus is my Lord and Savior. Couldn't do any of this without him. A special thanks to my wife Melissa and my kids, Dr. Brian, EJ, everybody else in the room. Thank you very much. I'm open for any questions.